Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Please first of all excuse my hands. I paint all on them, working on a project for one of my customers, and they required me to paint. Anyway, and I'm still in the middle of working on it. But anyway, so I went to my P.O. box and I ended up with a little happy mail. So I just want to, it was already open too, so it was in my box open, so I hope Audrey nothing came out. But I was pleasantly surprised. I didn't know I was getting a goodie bag, but thank you. So this is from Audrey from Windy Dayz, and I will have her link below. So please like and subscribe to her channel. Tell her that Dawn sent you. Okay. So you know, she's in the Julie Nutting collab with me, and she was just so sweet and kind to send me some goodies. So you know, anytime you go to your P.O. box, you know, me, I'm usually looking for just some solicitation, some kind of stuff. But anyway, I was so pleasantly surprised. So yay, felt good. That's why it's called Happy Mail. So this is what she sent me from San Francisco, a postcard, and I do like postcards. I collect them. Those and keychains when I travel. Everybody that knows me bring me back keychains when they go anywhere, and my sister's the one who always brings me tons of postcards whenever she goes anywhere. But keychains and postcards, I always try to get those wherever I go. So I went to California for the first time in August, and I was down in LA, so that was pretty cool. So I didn't get to make it to the top part of California, but anyway, so thank you for letting me have that. So, how is their city? Okay. Wow. Okay. So she wrote me a note about her family stuff, being how long they've been here. That is pretty cool. Alrighty, so let's see what else she has made me as well. So you have a little clip right here and a little note, which I thought was so cute. And in here, little teeny bow. Look at that. Isn't that not cute? I love that. Hopefully you can see that along with my cute little envelope. I love that. And then the paper clip. That was so cute. I like the little teeny miniature envelopes. And then in here, he's got some goodies. Excuse me. It is 1 something in the morning. I just had to do another video, and I need to get to go to bed. But I want to go ahead and film while I was in the mood to film. So in here is a whole bunch of stickers and different goodies and things like that in here as well. Oh, it's got the word dream on it. That's my word. She said she loves stickers and she wanted to share. Yes, thank you. So in here, all kinds of different stuff in here that you can use for different things. So thank you, Audrey. Would definitely be using some of those. And put them in my planner. And then, like I said, she's in the Julie Nutting collab, so you make sure you check out her channel because she will inspire you with things that she's made. And then here's some gold foil plants, flowers, plants. Oh, I like how she did this holographic banner on the back. That's pretty cool. I like that. I hate ripping up stuff. But I like that. Strong tape. My washi and stuff is just like so wimpy. Alrighty. She said she loves cute paper and she likes to share. Oh, that is cute. And look, so you can put something right under there too. So you can put it on your paper or something as well. So she got different ones. Different chipmunk. You know, so I know my animals. And the polar bear, so again you can stick stuff under here. So you can use those in planners, you can use them in journals and things like that. Laughter is the best medicine. Yes, it is. A sandwich. I'm hungry. Then she has some Rolodex cards right here. And then, I have made comment on this. I love what she did too. And this dress right here, you got to see it because she stickled it. And she just stamped the postcard and all the little embellishment ones that come along with her. Her name just escaped me. Travel girl. And she glossy accent in her purse and her shoes and her glasses, but you can see the and feel the dimension on the dress and the headband. So I love how she did that as well. And she put me a little note. Yes, we stand well in the lockdown, thank God. Yes, it is a strange new reality. Oh, she personalized, put my name in it. Ah, sweet. Love that, Audrey. Thank you. So thoughtful. So this is a nice little journal. So it got plenty of pages in here to do different things. And she says, great for fountain pen. Oh, this paper is great for a fountain pen. Okay. So I love that. Different types of paper in here as well. Oh, hello. I'm a traveler. Oh, cool. So she has, and I'm assuming that's Japanese. And then she has the doll in here. A stamp. I wonder if that's my name and Dawn. Is that my name? See, it's 1 o'clock. I need to go to bed. It's after 1 o'clock, actually. It's almost 2 o'clock. I meant to say, I wonder, is that how you write my name in Japanese? And if Audrey, did you write that? That'd be way cool if you did. Let me know, or if you know what that says, if it doesn't say my name. If it says hello or whatever. It says hello right here. I don't know what that says. But let me know. Pretty cool. And then over here, it says, people I'm grateful for. So here's some list of things that you can do. Answer questions, things to try, personal strengths, weekly to-do list. Hope you can see it with my light. And a wish list. So different things that you can write in journal. Like the light is, whoop, I don't know how much they're knocking these letters over. Is that better? But anyway, so those in there. And another paper clip that I can use that says best. And then a pocket in here. So thank you so much, Audrey. I really greatly appreciate it. And thank you so much. Check out her channel. She's an awesome crafter and very sweet and kind as well. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.